So, U.S. parents are spending over $30 billion a year on their kids' activities. Wow! Famtivity helps you grow your business by helping these parents find you and the great activities you have to offer. It helps you get noticed by customers looking for your activities through free or sponsored marketing plans. Get customers by selling activities right inside Famtivity. And get engaged with one-click posting to all your customers' favorite social networks, photo sharing, and more. And get it all at pricing so low that even one new customer brought to you through Famtivity will likely pay for the whole year. Let's show you how it works. Famtivity makes it easy to manage and market your activities to thousands of local families. And look at it, it's gorgeous. And it's exploding. We currently have thousands of providers with 20,000 plus activities listed, thousands of social and Facebook likes, and tens of thousands of page views per month. These are parents coming to look for your activities. So how are we getting parents to come to Famtivity? Through a sophisticated mix of search engine optimization, web and mobile advertising, social media publishing, blog and content marketing, local PR events, and a very cool loyalty discount program for inviting friends. We do all this so you don't have to. So once parents are on Famtivity, how do they get to your activities so that you can grow leads and sales? First, parents can easily search for activities by any mix of keywords. Then, they click on items of interest and get more information, including your website link and phone number. They can also send email directly to you, or instantly purchase right on Famtivity. Or if you like, we can link the Buy Now button directly to your existing purchasing process. And Famtivity comes with a complete activity management solution. You can easily manage contacts and invites with individual and group messaging, keep schedules up to date, manage policies, upload PDF forms, or build your own online forms, take orders from Famtivity, or embed activities in your own site to streamline sales and automate collections, and easily see status of signups, form completion, and payments. So, all processes are fully managed and everyone is kept up to date. Famtivity also makes it incredibly easy to support engaging your client community with one-button social media publishing. Just connect your social media accounts, and every time you post a new activity or message to your client group, you can one-button post it to all your favorite social networks. Encourage your client base to repost, and you'll instantly get massive reach with your social media efforts. Finally, pricing. Our objective is to bring you massive value with minimal cost. If you want to use Famtivity primarily to market your activities and you already have a sign-up system you like, choose our $29 plan. If you're a small operation and you want to market your activities and use our activity management system, choose our $49 plan. And if you're a large organization, choose the $99 plan. Contact us if you have a very large organization or if you have any questions. So get started today and register as a provider on Famtivity.